InVideo V3, the mind-blowing new AI video generator. You need to see. Imagine creating stunning, professional quality videos in just minutes. No filming, no expensive equipment, and no overwhelming editing software. Sound impossible? Not anymore. Meet InVideo V3, the revolutionary AI video generator that's rewriting the rules of content creation. Today, I'm giving you an insider's guide to mastering this incredible tool and unlocking your creativity like never before. Get ready to transform your video production game. Introduction. Why InVideo V3 changes everything. AI technology has been evolving at lightning speed, and with InVideo V3, it's officially a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total beginner, this tool is designed to make video creation simple, efficient, and genuinely fun. No need for fancy cameras or hours of editing. InVideo V3 empowers you to create stunning content in a fraction of the time. What sets InVideo V3 apart? It's the perfect mix of user-friendly design and advanced AI capabilities. From cinematic storytelling to quick social media clips, this platform does it all. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the features, tips, and tricks to make the most of it. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to create jaw-dropping videos effortlessly. So, let's dive in. Section 1. Setting up your account. First things first, let's get you set up with an account. This is your gateway to the magic of InVideo V3. Head over to their website and hit sign up. Use your Google account for a quick and hassle-free registration. Once you've granted permissions, you're in. And here's a pro tip. Use the link in the description to streamline your setup and unlock exclusive features right from the start. Setting up your account is like stepping into a creative wonderland. Let's take that first step together. Section 2. Exploring the dashboard. InVideo V3's dashboard is where the magic happens. When you log in, you'll see an intuitive interface designed to simplify every step of the process. Here's how to get started. Navigate to the prompt box. This is where your ideas take shape. Want to create an ad, a tutorial, or a cinematic masterpiece? Start typing. Explore creative flows. Each flow is tailored to a specific type of content. From product commercials to social media posts, these options make your creative process seamless. Think of this dashboard as your creative playground. Limitless possibilities are just a click away. Section 3. Generating AI-powered videos. Now, let's unleash the true power of InVideo V3. Here's how to create your first AI-generated video. Type a simple text prompt describing your concept. Select generative media to bring your idea to life. Experiment with different styles, tones, and visuals for maximum impact. Example. Prompt. A refreshing summer day with friends enjoying Coca-Cola. With just that sentence, you'll have a professional quality video ready in moments. Want to know the best part? The AI doesn't just understand your words, it transforms them into jaw-dropping visuals you'd swear took hours to create. Section 4. Editing made simple. InVideo V3 doesn't stop at generating content. It makes customization effortless. Here's how to make your video truly yours. Add subtitles. Enhance engagement and accessibility with auto-generated subtitles. Replace media swap, outclips, or images with custom or stock footage to personalize your project. Fine-tune shots. Adjust filters, effects, and timing to polish your video to perfection. This level of control lets you transform a great video into something unforgettable. Section 5. Creating specialized content. From commercials to cinematic shorts, InVideo V3 supports a wide range of creative projects. Themed commercials. Type a tranquil oasis with a soothing candle to create a luxury candle ad. Genre-specific videos. Input. A haunted house with eerie shadows for spine-tingling horror content. B-roll for cooking channels. Use prompts like sizzling vegetables in a pan for mouth-watering footage. Pro tip. Experiment with prompts to push the boundaries of creativity. The AI can surprise you with results you never imagined. Section 6. AI tools that enhance every step. Here's where InVideo V3 truly shines. It integrates seamlessly with other AI tools to elevate your projects. Voice cloning. Use AI to replicate your voice for consistent narration. Language translation. Expand your reach by translating videos into multiple languages. Animations, craft whimsical shorts with prompts like a cat exploring a magical forest. These features aren't just tools, they're game changers that redefine what's possible. Section 7. Subscription plans. Worth the investment. Accessing all these incredible features is easy with InVideo V3's subscription options. Generative plan. Perfect for creators looking to maximize their output without breaking the bank. Free trials. Test the waters before committing. Why spend thousands on production when this plan gives you pro-level results for a fraction of the cost? Conclusion. Your creative journey begins. Here, InVideo V3 isn't just a tool, it's your gateway to unlimited creative potential. Whether you're crafting stunning visuals, generating viral-worthy content, or breaking into new markets with translated videos, this platform has everything you need. If you're as excited about InVideo V3 as I am, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with anyone looking to elevate their content game. Remember, the only limit is your imagination, and with InVideo V3, even that's bound to expand. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create next.